Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, we've got something kind of unusual. We got two clients basically at about the same time, needing some 70 only fabled 9171 master cylinders. As you can see, this sample is exquisite. It should actually be in a museum somewhere, I think. So we've machined them and all, cleaned them up. As you can see, it's been brass sleeved so that it will last a long, long time. When you're spending $1,000 on a master cylinder, a lot of these cars are sitting around and don't get driven. Brake fluid collects water and we get pitted bores. So we need to put this one together. So what we're going to do is stick our pistons in. So, we ready? If you've done this once or twice, it ain't that big a deal. Of course, the worst thing you can do is nick one of these cups when you're putting them in or putting them on the pistons or what have you. So we're using a little bit of brake fluid just to lube up these cups. Slide on down in the bore. Got a pumping cup and two wiper cups on that front piston. People talk about can't find any parts for these. Well, you just got to know where to go. So, let's get this one started. See that little, you got to work that little cup down there inside that bore. Don't nick it. Get him going nice. There it goes. Teeny, teeny bit of pressure. There we go. And for the rear piston. Remember now on Mopars, this big reservoir, your disc brake reservoir for your calipers, and then your drums are up front. So the rear brakes are in the front, and the front brakes are in the rear. Why did they do that? Seems crazy, huh? Well, I'll tell you why. They engineered it so that that spring is less than this one, the tension, and so that front spring and piston, it actually starts moving first. You're pushing on this, and that's so that the back brakes begin to engage before the front brakes. Because when you think about some simple physics, especially if the car's angled at all, you think about it. If the front brakes lock up on a car completely, the kinetic energy will bring that ass end around and you'll go into an uncontrollable spin. And once you go into that spin, it is impossible to stop it. It just has to run out of energy. What that means is you in for a ride until it comes to a stop. So, and there we go. Pistons installed. So we got our drum brake check valve that keeps a little pressure on our wheel cylinders so that they're primed and ready to go. And here's our two new brass seats. You don't have to change these all the time. They're good for 2 or 3 times. I use a little 1/4" drive socket. One down and 2 down, and there we have one assembled. Absolutely correct lid, and bale wire. So, now we'll jump onto this one and make him go away. And then we'll do this Hemi. Alright, gang. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing.